Good morning students. Let us begin our today's class. We have started chapter 4 altitudes and medians of a triangle. In the previous class we have studied about the medians, how to draw medians of an acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and an obtuse angle triangle. So students, let us start practice set 4.1. Now you know already what is an altitude and what is a median. So let us revise what is an altitude. The perpendicular drawn from a vertex of a triangle to its opposite side is called an altitude. So here in this figure, in triangle LMN, which is an altitude, segment LX is an altitude. So here in this blank we will write segment LX. And what is a median now? So what is a definition of median? The segment joining the vertex and the midpoint of its opposite side of a triangle. So when we take L as a vertex, MN is a opposite side, and which is a midpoint, Y is a midpoint. So if we join L to Y, this segment LY is called as a median. So here what we will write? Segment LY. So segment LX is an altitude and segment LY is a median. So the first question is over of practice set 4.1. In this way you will complete. Now let us start the question number 2. Draw an acute angle triangle. Draw all of its altitudes. Name the point of concurrence as O. Children, you know how to draw altitude. Altitude means the perpendicular drawn from a vertex to its opposite side. So first of all, we will draw here one acute angle triangle. So let us draw an acute angle triangle. In this way you will draw an acute angle triangle. The name of an acute angle triangle here it is given in the question. So we will give the same name PQR. After that, what we have to do? To draw an altitude, we will draw the segment which joins from a vertex to its opposite side, and that will be a perpendicular segment. So let us draw a perpendicular segment from the vertex. Now if you take R as a vertex, which will be the opposite side? PQ is the opposite side. So let us draw a perpendicular of side PQ. So first of all, what we have to do? Take more than half distance from P and draw two arcs towards this side. And before it, what we have to do? From R, how to do? The segment which we will draw a perpendicular segment. So first of all, on this side PQ, we will cut these two arcs in this way. We have cutted this opposite side, and now take minimum distance and draw two arcs like this. This is from this side and from this side. Now we got a point of intersection like this. So we will join this point of intersection by a dotted line in this way. So let us join this point of intersection to this vertex R. How? With a dotted line. Show the dotted line so that we can get the vision clear. So now here is a perpendicular drawn from a vertex to its opposite side. Next, from R we have drawn. Now let us draw from Q. From Q to the opposite side PR, let us take some minimum distance and draw two arcs to cut the opposite side. In this way we have cutted this opposite side PR, and now from the each arc we will draw an intersection arc, that is perpendicular. So in this way we have drawn a point of intersection, and now this point of intersection, that is this arc, we will join to its vertex, that is Q. So first of all we will draw in this way a dotted line to join point Q. Now this is a perpendicular we have drawn. This is also a perpendicular we have drawn. Now the third perpendicular from point P. In this way we will take. Now from P also we will take some minimum distance and cut the opposite side QR to the opposite side. In this way we have cut it, and now from that arc take a minimum distance more than half and draw 2 arcs from each arc. Okay, in this way. So we got again one more intersection arcs. Now join that intersection point to the point P with a dotted line. So in this way we have drawn now dotted line. So now here we got one point of intersection of all the three altitudes which are perpendicular to the opposite side. So here this point is called as point O. We will name this point as point O. What is O? O is a orthocenter. So how to write the answer now? First, segment PA is perpendicular to QR. Where is PA? From P to here A. Segment PA is perpendicular to side QR. Next, segment QB. Here B. Segment QB is perpendicular to side PR. And next is segment RC. Segment RC is perpendicular to side PQ. So what is the point of concurrence? The point of concurrence is O. And here segment PA, segment QB and segment RC are the altitudes of triangle PQR. Okay. So first and second question we have solved of practice set 4.1. In the next video we will solve question number 3. Okay.